And again, we also offer um, a complimentary reading for everyone. All right. So let's continue with our Microsoft PowerPoint version 2016-2019 course outline. We are using 2019 for the whole program. All right, the whole class. So like we said, our team are very doing a good job. So your donation is accepted 0245215266, or you can use what is on the website. Just click on the donation or the number that you see on the website, and then it gives you go ahead to pay. If you're outside this country, you can do that. If you're inside this country, Ghana, then you can use this line also to do that. But you can use Momo as well on the platform. All right, on the website. Okay, so now let's look at what we are going to study under Microsoft PowerPoint. But remember, if you really want this course outline as a copy, all right, you just pay for only 10 Ghana to show appreciation to the team that did a big research for all these things we're about to study for free. All right, so let's continue. All right, okay, so here we go. All right, so Microsoft Basics PowerPoint course outline. In this course, we are view and navigate a presentation, create and save a PowerPoint presentation, use PowerPoint help. All right, so we will look at the developing a PowerPoint presentation, performing advanced text editing operations. Then we we look at adding graphical elements to presentation and modifying objects in your presentation. You look at adding tables to your presentation. All right, so we will look at adding charts to presentation, preparing to deliver your presentation. All right, that is adding, apply, review your presentation, apply, transition, print your presentation like we are doing. All right, you can apply animation tool. You can also how to preview your presentation, that is pressing F5 or view. You're going to look at all those things. All right, so let's look at Microsoft Intermediate PowerPoint. So we'll look at modifying the PowerPoint environment. That's customize the user interface, set PowerPoint 2016-2019 options. All right, so you're going to make sure that we set up everything. Customizing design templates, as adding headers like we've done. All right, so you can see our header with this, with the ftpclasses.com there, and then donation 0245215266. We have our email to with a link inserted in it, and then we can look at all these things are headers and footers using we'll do like adding smart chart and math equations to a presentation. All right, so do Microsoft Intermediate PowerPoint. So we are under that. We look at working with media and animations. As I said, animations and transitions. I think this one we don't have any animations here, but okay. So we will look at that. All right, we will look at that. I think we need to, and then we do adding video to a presentation. We do customize animations and transitions, collaborating on presentation. All right, then we come to customizing a slideshow, securing and distributing a presentation. All right, so you're customizing slideshows. You can make it automation. All right, so instead of me clicking for it to come, you can make it like you can time it maybe every 5 seconds or 10 seconds. you should do that. Okay, but I think that one is not advisable because when during your presentation you can maybe talk in one page like we doing. Okay, talking in one page might take like maybe the other minute, but before you realize the PowerPoint has ended and you are still at maybe your slide 3. You see, so I think I'll advise you to do the click once and explain, and then you go to next one. All right, so we will come to Microsoft Advanced PowerPoint. So what is the advance, how to use PowerPoint to make designs? All right, supposing you don't know how to use any graphic design platform like Photoshop, like Corel Draw, we can use PowerPoint, and then the PowerPoint will help you a lot to do your basics designs. If you are doing a wedding, if you are doing some small gathering, you need to do some a flyer to call for people to come to your you can use this PowerPoint to do it so easy without going to pay any amount of money for a designer. It's good. So we'll look at it. All right. So then we come to look at Microsoft Excel version 2019. All right. Like we explained in a lot that all these versions 2016, 2019, it means that when you are using the 2019 you can operate in 2016, but if you are using 2016 you can operate in 2019. It's going to be very difficult. All right, so our version that we are using is 2019 version, and therefore we encourage you to follow the course very well, and it's going to help you. All right, like we all are doing this as free, but your donation can help, could promote and could help us to you know to further, all right, to move on, to encourage us to move on with confidence. And therefore you can donate on 0245215266, or you can use our platform, our website, where you click on the donation, you do it. And if you want to sponsor us, you go to the sponsor, you send us mail, and then you will have it. You can also send us mail direct in freetopupgh@gmail.com too. We will receive it. All right. And then we say that we have a lot of books that helps a lot. When you read, in health, in how to manage your money, and how to learn languages, and also the course outlines for all the course that you are offering. You go there, you download them, and you just pay only 10 Ghana just to appreciate the effort of our research team that brought all these things for you. All right, so it's not that we are charging you, but just to appreciate. So you get all the ebooks there, and it's very nice. And also we have stores in our website too. When you click the stores, if you are in SHS, or even if you are not in school, we sell pads, we sell books, we sell you know a lot that ladies and men need. So okay, so you go there, you make your order, and we bring it to you on your doorstep. All right, okay. All right, so if you're outside Ghana too, you can use our platform too to do the donation. Okay, so let's move on. Microsoft Excel. All right, course outline. Okay, and if you have your kid is in JHS, advise him or her to our website ftpclasses.com. So we help in solving past questions together, with them for free. But I think we have elective math there. But the elective math, because it's an hard math, you do appreciate us for every daily. You just pay 7 CDs, 7 CDs, and that's all. 7 CDs for the class. And then we have the core math too for SHS. We are solving past questions, and we are helping you to understand everything. So easy. And the common language for you to understand is Tree and English. Therefore, we make sure that we calm down for your understanding so that you grab it and it will help you. All right. So that's why we are donating a few classes for you. You will never get it anywhere. Only FTP classes that come. All right. So let's look at the Microsoft Basic Excel. All right, course. So this one, as we are getting started with Microsoft Office Excel. All right, so we get started with it. We use Excel help to. We're going to make sure performing calculations, modifying a worksheet. you know we come to formatting a worksheet, so applying text format, numbers format, cells content, styles and themes, printing workbooks. Sometimes a lot of people face challenges when it comes to printing Excel. When you do it, it looks like somehow, it's time for you to follow this entire course, and you're going to make sure that you are good to go. And then when you are using your Excel, you know that you are using an Excel. You can use Excel but not even buying any software to help you, because Excel is for you to do your calculations. Managing workbooks is also okay. So the intermediate, you are going to make sure that working with functions in Excel, that's the calculation functions. So whatever you put in, it calculates for you automatically. Like we said, of all these things that we are doing, if you want your system to store it automatically, if the light goes off, like we've been facing challenges in our country, or maybe your machine just, you need to do backups, and again you need to set your date and time. It's very important. So we will look at all those things and how to do everything. you know we'll look at working with lists, sort data, filter data, query data with basic database functions, outline and subtotal data. All right, analyzing data, create and modifying tables, apply intermediate conditional formatting, apply advanced conditional formatting. And if you want to, remember, if you want any software, with desktop app, I think you can still call for help. So you can use Excel as a database, as a database that consists of all your activities in your shop, in your company, or whatever you want to do. All right, but you need to take this course very serious. Okay, so visualizing data with charts. So we can how to create charts, whatever you do. Analyzing data with pivot tables and pivot charts. Right, this is the pivot becomes, when it comes in, then it means that we are in advance. All right, so we do working with multiple worksheets and workbooks, using lookup formulas and formula auditing, selling and protecting workbooks, automating workbook functionality. All right, so this is, and then we come creating sparklines and mapping data for forecasting data. All right, Indiana University of Pennsylvania, we need to appreciate that, because we're able to also get some source from them, and then these are their course outline for their university. Okay, and then it means that this entire course that we are about to look at, when you are in school, is good to go to get your A plus. When you are in office, it means that you are learning with the universities, and this is practical, not the theory thing that we're about to look at. We're going to make sure we go on practical for you, for your understanding in your local language and in English. All right, okay, so here we go. We are done with the Excel. We know the basics, the intermediate and the advanced. All right, so don't worry, the classes is going to start on the 1st November 2021. It's going to be very, very practical. So you follow up, you learn a lot, and then you encourage your brother, your sister, your co-worker, your everyone to visit this site so that they can learn what they learn. All right. So this is it. You know, this is the language that we are going to use. Like I said, English and Tree. Okay, and the days that we are going to update you is Mondays and Thursdays for this entire course. I think the others two might be Mondays and Thursdays as well. You see, it's a very, very, very sacrificial job that we are doing for my people, for those I really love. So tell and encourage your junior JHS, your junior SHS student when he's finding difficulties in mathematics, or even if he's good there, we are helping to solve past questions online, which is free. By elective math, you just pay for only 7 CDs, you know, just because the electives are, somehow, and it needs a lot. And I'm going to be your tutor for the entire course. My name is Otis Ajay Osu. Thank you once again, and we are going to meet on November 1st, 2021 for a full course. You're going to be very, very happy for this entire course. And remember, after every subject that we finish, we are going to host online live coverage so that we discuss our difficulties, so that we know if we should continue to another, or we solve in for difficulties. So as the course keeps going on, we will update you the date that you will be on live coverage, so that we talk to each other, we see each other's face, we solve problems, we become friends and families. And then all these things, your donation is going to help. So how to donate? You can sacrifice to say that every week you are going to donate maybe 10 Ghana, 20 Ghana to support, 100 Ghana, and of course 2 billion Ghana cedis. We are going to be happy. Alright? You can also decide, okay, why not every day? I'll donate 5 CDs to support, I'll donate 200 CDs, I'll donate 3 billion Ghana cedis. Wow. So from 5 CDs to infinity. Any amount that you want to donate in a week, in a day, in a month, it's acceptable. So just put on your book and then pen down this. Now, this is your timetable. Mondays and Thursdays is class is going to happen. So just pen it down. Mondays and Thursdays, you're going to look at ICT from ftpclasses.com, and this is what you're going to do. Okay, so every week this is the amount you're going to donate. So write it down, the amount you're going to donate. Or maybe you want to make it every day. Write it every day. This is the amount I'm going to donate. Maybe you are going to make sure monthly. Every month, this is the amount I want to donate. Just write it down. Donations are from the heart, and it helps a lot. Jehovah blesses those who donate from the heart, because God, I'm doing it that way. So let's see, and then we are going to meet on the 1st November 2021. Good day and have a nice day. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.